Hola guys, okay, today we have a very interesting question. Okay, it is the trigonometric question and prove that sine 2x over tan square x plus 2 cosine x minus secant square x is actually equal to tan square x. So let's have a look on this question. So first of all, I will prove this on the left hand side, which is this expression. Okay, so first of all, I will change the denominator here using the trigo identity. So sine 2x, so tan square x is nothing but just sine square x over cos square x, isn't it? So plus 2 cos square x minus secant square x is just cos square x. Okay, whenever you see the fraction here, you have to eliminate it so that it becomes simplifies. So what I do, I times top and bottom fraction by cos square x and do the same thing here on the denominator. So okay, this simplifies into sine 2x times cosine square x. Also this cancel with that, so left alone with sine square x plus, so 2 cosine square x times with this comes 2 cos to the 4th x minus, so this cancel with that, minus 1. So if you familiar with this identity, which is sine square x minus 1, so you will be familiar with this. Actually we have the identity, namely 1 minus sine square x. This is nothing but just cos square x, because sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1 according to trigo identities. So if you bring this sine square x to the right hand side, you will get this expression. So but here you have sine square x minus 1, not 1 minus sine square x. So what you can do here, you can manipulate these, okay, by factoring the negative 1. Okay, factoring the negative 1. So you have, so I will rewrite the fraction here. So I will factor the negative 1 on the denominator. So I will left, this is negative 1, so it becomes 1. So this is positive, becomes negative. Sine 2x, so this is become negative also. 2 cos to the 4th x. So I already achieved what I want here, which is 1 minus sine square x. So it is nothing but just, as I said just now, it is nothing but just cos square x, right? So it becomes like that. And then I factor the cos square x because we have here two terms with cos square x. We can factor it. Becomes sine 2x cos square x. Don't forget the negative sign. So we factor the cos square x. So this becomes 1 minus 2 cos square x. We still have the cos square x there because this is cos to the 4th. We just take out the cos square x. So what we have here, this simplifies to be like this, isn't it? Okay, so I will erase the unimportant stuff here, and we just left with the most simplified terms. Okay, I will move it here. Okay, I can. Okay, and then what we have, we can actually further simplify this fraction. So what we left, we just write. Okay, so this is minus 1. We can just leave as minus sign. So minus, we can actually expand the bracket already. So minus 1 times minus 2 cos square x is positive 2 cos square x, isn't it? And minus 1 times 1 is just 1. So if you familiar with this identity, this is nothing but just cos square x. Cos 2x. Why? Because according to trigo identity, cos 2x equals to cos 2x equals to cos square x minus sine square x. So I want to eliminate the sine square x. I will use the identities sine square x plus cos square x. So this is minus. So this is nothing but just 1 minus cos square x. Okay, I already mentioned this, how I get 1 minus cos square x according to sine square x plus cos square x equals to 1. Okay, I hope you understand that. So this is cos square x minus 1 plus cos square x. So cos square x plus cos square x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So here you have this identity, which is nothing but just cos 2x, isn't it? So I can replace this guy here to be cos 2x. And this actually simplified to be, maybe I can use another color for this. Okay, green. So, okay, sine 2x over cos 2x. Okay, so we know that sine x over cos x is equal to tan x. So if we okay, so I can use another variable to avoid you guys to confuse. So sine a over cos a is nothing but just tan a. Okay, so this is according to identity, trigo identities. So if I substitute a equals to 2x, I substitute, so inside here, so here I already substitute 2x, and here, okay, I substitute here 2x becomes this, and substitute here 2x becomes that. So this automatically we have, I substitute 2x inside this, tan a, so becomes tan 2x. So this is what we want to prove. So we write proven. Okay, so we have already proved this tan 2x. So this term or expression sine 2x all over tan square x plus 2 cosine square x minus secant square x is simplified to be tangent to x. Okay, so actually you guys need to understand or at least memorize the the basic trigo identities in order to tackle this question. Okay, that's all from me, and as always, thank you.